Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today I'm going to make some double heart rings inspired by my paperclip double heart ring. What you're going to need for this project is 20 gauge wire. I have rose gold, red, and this is tarnish resistant brass from Artistic Wire. I have flat pliers, 2 pairs of round pliers, my cutters. This is a stepped wooden ring mandrel, or you can just use a marker for the round form. So about 2 to 2.5 inches from the end, I'm going to bend it up and then take my round pliers and bring it around. Take our smaller round pliers and bring it up to form a little loop. This is what I call my Mimi hearts. And then we're going to bring this one around, adjust it how you want. If you want this loop smaller, just pull it apart a little bit. Just take it here and bring it around into another loop. And then just pull it so it's not too big. And then take this, make sure it's really centered, and wind it around. Take off the extra, pinch this in, pinch it right in so it's totally flush. So now you can take your ring mandrel to whatever size you want, bring it around, and then imagine where your other heart is going to be. Bring it to about there, remove it, take it with the flat pliers, and bend it straight up. And again, get your round pliers to form the top of the heart. Try to get them the same size. They don't have to be perfect. And then take your small round pliers and form that loop. Tug it if you need. Take the bigger round pliers and bring it around again. Now before you form the bottom, you want to stick the wire through there. You can clip some off if it's too long. You're going to have to distort the band a bit to get it in. So we're going to take this and put it inside the heart. Just pull it through so it looks like that. Bring it around a bit. Take your small round pliers again, hold it at the bottom of the heart, and bring it up. Curve it around. Take this and bring it through the band. So take that, give it a good little tug. Clip it, pinch it so it's really flush in there. Give it a pinch. Put it back on the ring cone. Just push it down to adjust it. And there you have a very beautiful double heart ring. This is a tarnish resistant brass. It's a little bit stiffer, so we're going to bend that up at a right angle. Take our round pliers, bring this one down. I'm going to keep this one quite simple, so we're just going to bend it up like we did with the paper clip ring, and bring this one around again. Make it as symmetrical as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then take this and bend it straight up, and then we can take this, cut it, pinch it so it's flush and it won't scratch. Put on the ring mandrel, bring it all the way around. Decide where you want the other heart. Bring it straight up on an angle and form your heart again. So now we're going to bring this one around, bend it up, do the other loop, bring it down. If you have extra, calculate how much you'll need. This goes to the bottom of the heart, and then that goes up, and then a bit to twist. Clip it. You'll have to distort the band a little bit. Put it through there, bring it down, and then we want to bend it up that way. I have to flip it so I can access it. So eyeball it to be about the same size. Bend it up, and at this point you can bring it in a little bit if it got a little bit distorted. Use your round pliers if it's easier. Hold it so it's centered. Bring this one around. Clip it. Watch your eyes, wear glasses or goggles. Pinch that in so it's not sharp. This one ended up being a little too big. I should have done the heart over a little more. It could be a thumb ring with the double hearts. Now we'll do one with the red wire, so we're just going to bend that straight up. Get your round pliers, bring this one around. Get the smaller round pliers, bring this one around. And if you want that smaller, just tug it a little bit. Form the other loop here. Get the flat pliers and bring it straight up this time rather than doing another loop. To make it sharper, just go in on the other side to sharpen up the angle. Center it the best you can. Bring it around. Clip it there. Pinch it down. So now if you don't have the mandrel, just use a marker. Bring this one around. You could try it on your finger to see where to start the other heart. Bring this one straight up and do your loops. Get your smaller round pliers, bring it up, and again give it a little tug if you want that loop smaller. Bring this one around. So now we're just going to put the end through the heart, bring it around, hold at the bottom, bring it up to form the heart, hold it so it's centered, push it and pull the end with the tweezer nose pliers, give it a little tug, clip the end, push it in so it's flush, give it a little pinch, put it back on the ring mandrel or a marker, pinch it, adjust it, and there you have your super cute double heart ring made with the red wire. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.